Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, it is going to be my Christmas wish list and basically like gift ideas for young adults, because I'm a young adult, so I practically know what young adults might want, but probably not all of them want the same thing that I want. So it's just an idea. For me, I don't expect people to actually buy me these things. I just, want to document it and such, because I ain't expecting anybody to buy me these things. Okay. Now I have my list on my phone, so I'm gonna just go through and tell you guys my Christmas wish list. So without further ado, let us get into the video. So the first thing on my list would be clothes. Now I like clothes, I like to buy clothes, but if you're out there, you want to buy me some clothes, Shein, I realized Shein has some great plus size kind of clothes, so I'm about to check that out. So if you guys want to give me some money to go buy those clothes, or a gift card, some points, yeah, so I'm gonna be buying clothes, or I would like clothes for Christmas. So whether it be leggings, tops, I like graphic tees, so those things. And then the next thing in this clothes category would be merch. Now I watch a lot of YouTube and I love a lot of their merch, and I've literally made a list of the different merches I want to buy, and I'm gonna be telling you guys some of them. I like Ben Azelart's merch, the Stay Wild merch. I love Adeline Marlin's merch because it's yellow. I don't know, it's just cute. I love Alicia Marie's merch, and I really wanted to get one of her Vlogmas merch for 2020 for Christmas, but I don't think I'm gonna get it because I think it's already even sold out, so I don't know. Alright, so the next thing on my list would be shoes. I like shoes, but I don't like heels per se, and I don't like slippers. I like sneakers and like those shoes. So yeah, I also like jewelry. So I kind of like the jewelry that with the lock on it. I think Alicia Marie got one the other day, and I think it's cute. And I like the infinity ones, the ones that look like an 8. I'll put pictures, like examples, on the side. I also want a AirPod. I want AirPods, yeah. I bought some of the fake AirPods and it's been working fine, but I want to get some of the real ones, but so I'm not in the budget. But if y'all want to send me one, I'd be grateful. Alright, so the next thing I want to get is a Polaroid printer. So this is basically a printer that you can print pictures from your phone, and I think this is pretty cool because I can take a picture, whether it be portrait mode, whatever picture I want to take, and print it instead of pretty much buying a Polaroid camera. So it's not that expensive. I think it's about $80 something, so that's like 10,000 something. So yeah, it's not that bad. I also like sheet, but you see, like this sheet that I have, I don't necessarily like this sheet because it's not solid. I like solid colors. I want like my blankets, like these blankets, I like these things. So I also have that on my list. I want blankets like these, but it's just soft, and yeah, so I like blankets. I like the solid sheets. So for example, like I bought myself a yellow sheet one Christmas, I think. Was it? Yeah, I think I bought a yellow sheet one Christmas because I like yellow, but I do like other colors like red and green. I want those for like the Christmas. White, I'm not so much a fan of white, so but I want like solid color sheets, and I also want blankets. And then the next thing I have on my list are PJ sets. I should have added that to like the clothing section. Guys, anybody can tell me how they make PJs so cute, and they're not even supposed to be outside. Like, they are so cute. I love onesies as well, so I would like to get myself one. I've never owned one, so I'd like to own one soon. The next thing that the next few things that I'm gonna mention are things like for YouTube and such like that. So I'd like to purchase a tripod, and tripod meaning one of the big ones. I do have this tripod, but it's so small, so you realize if I put this on the ground, it's not gonna even reach where I want it to reach to film myself a video. So I want one of the big ones. I'm gonna put in the picture right here. So I want to purchase one of those. I also want to buy a memory card, because the memory card I have in my camera right now is like 32 gigs or something like that, and it doesn't hold anything. So I want to buy like a 128 gig or 256 gig like what's on my phone. So I think that would be great for me in filming and all of that, because the minute I start filming, my memory goes. So especially for Christmas, because I want to do vlogmas, I want to get them for vlogmas. I don't think I'm gonna get it at the start, but I like to get it before it finishes, you know. I also want a hard drive, because my computer doesn't have that much space at all. When I film videos, I have to be putting some of my videos on thumb drive. Right now my vlogmas intro is on a thumb drive. I even had to email it to myself, because I don't want anything to be wrong with that footage, because I don't intend in, you know, filming it over. So I'd like to have a hard drive so I can actually store things on. I also think that subscriptions would be a great gift for people. I already have my Netflix and Apple subscription, but you know, you have to pay for this monthly. So if you are somebody who wants to, you know, give a person a gift, a subscription, you know, paying for somebody's subscription to Netflix, Apple Music, whatever platform that you have to pay for per month, that they might want to use, you know, that would be a pretty good gift. The next one is portable chargers. I do own one, but you know, you can never have too much, because when light gone, you don't even know what time it's gonna be back. So, and keeping them charged is the next thing. Let me know down below if that's your problem as well, because I have one, my sister has one, and every time light goes, we never have nothing yet for use. It's always dead. Alright, so the next thing I want is a GoPro, or I think it would be a nice gift, a GoPro. I had one, but it's no longer in use. I know I'm not gonna get this for Christmas, and I'm not gonna buy myself this for now. A iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not ready for the 12 as yet. I'll stick with the 11 Pro. That is also a good gift. This is a pretty cool gift, and I wanted this for quite some time. LED light strips, and I'll put a picture of it right here. I think they'll make rooms look so cool, and I think it would be amazing. Next thing I want for like YouTube purposes would be like a ring light. I wanted a ring light for quite a while, but they're not very cheap, so I haven't bought one, but I'm gonna invest in one and buy one as well. Another gift you can give are Amazon cards. So people shop a lot online now, right? And if you want to buy someone a gift, but you don't know what they like, and they shop online like me, give me an Amazon card. You know, they can use that Amazon card to get whatever they want at a discounted price. That would be good. Also candles. I am in love with candles now, so I want to buy one for Christmas. I got one for my birthday, and I want to buy like a Christmas scent for Christmas to be, you know, to use in my room. So candles are good gifts for persons who like candles. And the final thing I have on this list is going to be a planner / bullet journal. Now, especially for like YouTubers, teachers, people that like to plan or should be planning or should have like structure, you can buy them a bullet or a planning journal. I'll be probably purchasing one, I don't know, because I need one. For YouTube right now, I pretty much use this book. I bought this book and I pretty much write down everything YouTube, but you know, I have to write the dates and all of that, so it would be good for me to actually get one that already has the dates in it, so that would be a pretty good gift for someone. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below something that you would add to this list, share this video with your friends and your families, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.